Papaya Global is one of the most talked about payroll solutions right now, but is it the right fit for your business? There are 7 things you need to know before buying, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if it's worth your investment. If you're new to payroll software or just looking to improve your current system, stick around because we'll also compare Papaya Global with other popular options. You'll want to hear about what makes Papaya stand out and what to look out for, so keep watching until the end. First off, Papaya Global is a cloud-based platform that promises to simplify payroll management across countries. This could be a huge benefit if you operate internationally, as it centralizes payroll for employees in multiple locations, streamlining the whole process. Compared to competitors like Deal or Remote, which are also focused on remote workforces, Papaya Global's true differentiator is its advanced global payroll capabilities. It integrates with local compliance laws, handles tax reporting, and can even deal with complex currency conversions, something that is a nightmare for other platforms. Next thing, let's talk about automation. Papaya Global uses automation in every step of the payroll process. This is huge, especially when dealing with large teams or multiple countries. It reduces human error, which can be a game changer. Other software might offer automation, but Papaya Global takes it a step further by automating tax filings and statutory reporting. While some payroll systems still require a manual review, Papaya's platform works to reduce that workload, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic areas. That kind of time saving is invaluable when compared to more manual solutions like Gusto or Paycor. Now, the third thing you should know is about their analytics and reporting. Papaya Global offers deep data insights, which can be a big help if you need to track costs, employee performance, or compliance trends. While other platforms might give you basic reports, Papaya goes above and beyond with its detailed dashboards. You can drill down into country-specific details, compliance risks, or even employee benefits across regions. This level of visibility is crucial when managing global teams or just keeping track of payroll expenses effectively. Next, let's talk about integration. One of the biggest pain points with any software is how well it integrates with your current systems. Papaya Global connects seamlessly with a variety of HR, finance, and accounting platforms like Workday, QuickBooks, and Xero. This is a huge advantage over platforms that may not offer such deep integrations. By being able to sync your payroll with other systems, you avoid the hassle of data silos, something that companies using manual payroll systems or disconnected software would struggle with. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. Papaya Global stands out by providing dedicated customer support with a focus on global payroll expertise. They have multilingual support teams, meaning if you're working across regions, you'll get help in the language that suits you best. This is a major benefit when compared to competitors like ADP or Paychex, where support can sometimes feel generic or harder to reach. You'll never have to wonder if your payroll is being handled correctly with Papaya's responsive support team. Next, let's touch on scalability. As your company grows, so will your payroll needs, and Papaya Global is built to scale with you. Whether you're expanding into new countries or hiring more employees, it allows you to easily scale your payroll operations without a significant increase in overhead. Many payroll systems like Square Payroll or Zoho Payroll might struggle when scaling globally, while Papaya's platform supports you as you grow, so you don't have to worry about outgrowing your solution. The final thing you need to know is about security. Papaya Global takes security seriously with multiple layers of protection, including data encryption, secure file transfers, and a variety of compliance certifications. This is especially important when managing sensitive employee information, such as tax forms and personal data. While many competitors offer basic security, Papaya's robust system ensures your payroll data is safe and compliant with international data protection regulations. Now, if you want to try out Papaya Global for yourself, make sure you click the first link in the description below to access the best free trial and get exclusive benefits. This will give you the chance to explore everything Papaya Global has to offer and see if it's the right solution for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to get started with Papaya Global today.